All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are in the car. Car is still overheating. Haven't solved that issue yet, but we're up here, and the brakes, that is what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be giving the brakes a little bit of a test now that it's on the car and everything. It's still in the break-in period, so I'm not going to go insanely crazy, but I do want to go up here, drive through some turns, and give you guys feedback and a sort of a review on these Mitsubishi Outlander brakes. Let y'all know if it's worth it. Besides the price point, is the performance up to par? So we about to check it out right now. Since I'm up here in the mountains, I guess I could show y'all the two-step. I can show y'all the two-step, baby. Everybody loves some two-step. Uh-oh, the seatbelt might fuck with my microphone. I'm gonna have to move it. Pardon my language. Okay, here we go. That's much better, I believe. All right, so let me give y'all a little bit of a two-step. Little two-step action. You feel me? All right, we got a little bit of a gap, so we're gonna go. Roll the windows up. All right, guys, so driving along here, I'll just let y'all know that on the street I haven't really been doing too much hard braking, as they are new rotors and I believe they had some kind of coating on them. So I've just been taking it easy and doing regular braking, not getting into it too hard. And it might honestly, this hard braking that I'm about to do up here might be a little bit too much for them, because once I put them on, I tried to do some hard braking and it started smoking. So whatever coating or paint that's on the rotor or the brake pads or calipers, well, it's making it smoke. So let's go do some driving and I'll let y'all know how they feel. Coming up right here. Oh my goodness. So immediately the initial bite of these brakes are great. As you know, going from, if you're a GST guy like myself, we're moving up from a 1 piston to a 2 piston caliper, bigger rotor. So off top, we're already going about 70. I'm gonna brake right here, boom, down to about 55. Very nice and smooth. Before, it would be a little bit sketchy up here because I'd be trying to brake and I'm doing a lot and the car is just not slowing down and I'm just mashing that pedal. But now I don't really have to push so hard and it's giving me what I need. Right here we'll brake. Oh yeah, that's nice. Because the problem that I was encountering is I'm braking so much that I'm still trying to slow down as I'm coming into the corners, which is very dangerous. So I'm, shifting all the way to the front while trying to turn. That's just asking to spin out. Oh yeah, she stops just how I need her to. So much better. Now I'm just getting a decent run until the car starts to get too hot. I think I may have gotten a signal for cops, I'm not sure. I'm gonna chill out for a second. braking. Oh, yes. This is so much better. Guys, it didn't take me too long to be convinced that these are better than stock for only about $300. And if you're lucky and you can find a 05 to 06 Outlander in a junkyard and you can get them, man, you better just get them. Because you'll get them even cheaper than I did. Going about 80 right now. We'll see where I get. Right now I'm going to slow down a bit. Ooh. Dropped all the way down to about 65 almost. Not that much effort from the brake pedal. Now, these are whatever stock brakes that came with the whole rotor caliper setup. Sorry, stock pads. Wow, that was nice. So I don't even have like performance, they're just regular ceramics. Now if I get something like the Hawk pad that we have on the Mustang with a ferrocarbon material, I can only imagine the stopping power just getting greater and greater. So far, I mean, like, this is money. It makes me feel so much more confident in the car, just being able to carry more speed, especially with this added power. And my car is actually not doing bad on the temperatures right now. Granted, it's not really hot. Ooh, that was nice slow down, nice slow down. I'm also trying not to push it too hard because my tires are shot. Let's just say that there's some wires showing. Call me crazy, but yeah. Oh, a Z. Another old Z. Brake zone. Oh yeah. Let's go. Yo, she stops. This is my first time really driving a Canyon since putting these brakes on. It's just been like street driving and man, oh shit, that's a lot of sun. Fuck. Put the shades on. I gotta say, man, these brakes, car's getting too hot, but these brakes are really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and pull over because we gotta chill out. It's starting to get too hot up in this motherfucker. But y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and cap it right here. I mean, I'll come back down, but we'll see. But I'm gonna go ahead and chill right here for a second. There's some people making some TikToks and shit out here, but okay. So yeah, real quick though, I know you can't see my face, but I'll cap the video here. You know what? I need to get some B-roll clips of this, but whatever. I'm gonna cap the video here. Guys, this is a great upgrade for the Eclipse. I know there's other big brake routes you can go, and this is probably like I would say this is a baby big brake upgrade. I'll just call it a true brake upgrade, not a big brake. There's Brembo out there, whatever else, Bear. I don't even know if Bear fits on here, but I know you can get the Cadillac CTS-V kit on here and stuff like that. All that stuff is way more expensive, like 2 to 3 times, maybe more, at least 3 times more than what I paid for this. So I mean, if you're looking to increase your braking power for the low, this is the way to go. This is obviously if you're a GST. GSX, I believe they already have the dual piston caliper. You can get these rotors though, I believe, and it should fit, but I'm not 100% sure, so don't quote me on that. But hey, for like $350, it's a steal, and this is great. So once I get this cooling issue figured out in the car, man, I'm gonna be whooping some booty up here. Everybody better watch out. All them Porsche drivers, Subies, everybody coming for you. But that's it, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little review. You can find the Mitsubishi Outlander parts. You could find them on like partsgeek.com or like carparts.com, something like that. Forget where I got mine. But yeah, they come refurbished or whatever, redone. Actually, you know what? I think I got them from rockauto.com. But there you go. There's another source. So like 3 different sources you can get them from. I would definitely buy from one of those, because if you try to go like on eBay or Amazon, I don't know, man. Sometimes people are like, they don't put the right product with the right year and stuff, and that's the last thing you want, is to buy something and it doesn't fit right. So that's it, guys. So the brakes are awesome, and I definitely recommend, if you're a GST dude, to get these brakes, because woo, I was cooking out here, and it's a night and day difference. Like, it really is. It really is. About 1.5 inches in the rotors. Okay, I'm talking too much. Peace, y'all. See y'all in the next video.